everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I am going to show you how I got this super simple eye look for New Year's Eve. The glitter. I know it is not the typical color scheme for New Year's Eve, but you know I have to think outside the box and do things a little bit differently. This is a collab with Amanda and Nona, of course, because I think when we did Winter Wonderland, I said we have 2 more coming up, and this is the last one for that little collab series that we're doing together. We did the Winter Wonderland, the traditional Christmas theme, which was, Winter Wonderland was white, silver, and blue, and the traditional Christmas was red, green, and gold. And of course, New Year's Eve, we didn't have a specific color scheme, but we said to make it sparkly, and hopefully I have done that with this look. I am enjoying it. I love it. I am wearing lashes. Can you believe this? Yes, it is a crazy day. All right, let's get into how I did this look. Okay, let's get into this look. I have my eyes already primed and set, so we're just going to get into the actual color portion of it. Hopefully the lighting is a little bit better. I have zoomed you in a little bit, and yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to be going with a kind of an orange look today, and partially because I don't own a lot of eye glitters, which is kind of strange because I love glitter. I absolutely love glitter, and I don't own a lot of eye glitters. I don't know why that is. I'm looking for the brush that I want here. Found it. I am going to be working with just a basic matte orange, and this I have depotted from my Coastal Scents, or not Coastal Scents, Profusion Eyes palette from a few years ago. I will be looking down because my mirror is right here, and the lighting is not normally what I use. It's a little bit dimmer in some areas and brighter in others. It's a little bit off, so I will be looking down while I am doing this and chatting with you guys. As you know, I am doing this with Amanda and Nona, getting ready for New Year's. So I'm just going to do this orange really quick as my transition, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I just blended that out with a clean, fluffy brush. And then I am going to take another orange. This one is Fire Glow by Coastal Scents. And I am going to put this all over my lid. This is going to be a super, super simple look today. Okay, now that we have the orange on and I look a little crazy, I am going to clean up some of this fallout really quick. I just have like a big fluffy brush right here, and I'm going to clean that up. Usually if I get fallout that is a lighter color like this, and it doesn't want to clean up super well, I usually just tap into a nude shadow or like a setting powder, and I just kind of brush it away, and it helps. It helps with that. I do have a little bit of an orange tint, but it's not bad. So that's pretty cleaned up. And then I am just going to take a little under on my lower lash line. And I'm going to start with the lighter matte shade, and then I probably will do like the outer half with the darker lid shade. Okay, like I said, this is going to be a very simple look today, but the joy of celebrating New Year's is it's all about the glitter, and glitter can make the most simple eye look really pop, which that's what we're going to do today. A super simple, easy look, but with glitter to give that extra pow. And I am going to go into the ColourPop Honey, and I am using Palooza because, one, it is stinking gorgeous. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. And yeah, I'm just going to tap it all over my lid and see how that turns out. Got my setting spray right here. I'm just going to spritz it on my brush and the glitter so that it sticks a little bit better. I found that that really works well for me. Look at the glitter. Look how just beautiful that glitter is. I am going to deepen up my crease just a little bit more, and then do a little like inner corner highlight, and then I will do some off-camera mascara, eyeliner, and such, and I will come back and show you the finished look. But before I do all of that craziness, I'm going to do my inner corners and get that done. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the Laura Mercier Rose Gold Caviar Stick right in the center, just to give it a little bit more pop. I do have a little glitter fallout. I will clean that up in a minute. I'm just going to take, you can take any champagne color. I'm just using Fabulous from the Real Herb Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful palette. Depotted, of course, because I've depotted everything. Okay, I think that is going to be the look. Plus, like I said, I want to deepen up this orange just a little tiny bit. Not your typical New Year's color, but I don't do anything typical. So I'm going to do my eyeliner, mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, here is my super simple finished look. I couldn't have made it any easier, and really it's all about the colors that you choose and the glitter. I mean, glitter makes everything better. And mark this day on your calendars. I have lashes on. I never do lashes. These are, I think they're Kiss Au Naturel, and it's the I Envy line. I must have gotten them in a sub box or something like eons ago, and I figured, hey, New Year's Eve look, now is the time to use them. It was a little awkward putting them on because I am not a lash girl, but these really, they don't feel weird. So yeah, so I did it today. I put lashes on. Does that mean it's going to snow? I hope not, because I don't want it to snow. Anyway, I really hope you go check out Amanda and Nona because they're amazing ladies, and I thank them both for doing this collab with me. The two different Christmas looks, the Winter Wonderland, the Christmas inspired or traditional Christmas inspired, as well as the New Year's Eve look. I have enjoyed this immensely. I like to play with color, and this was just one of those where we picked a theme and we went for it, and I loved it so much, and I love both of these ladies. They are amazing. Of course, they are going to be linked down below, and I really hope you go check them out. I am hoping that both of them will want to do some looks in the future, maybe for some upcoming holidays. You know, if you guys are interested, I would love to collab with you guys again. I like this. I like doing this, and yeah, I think that is everything. Definitely go check out Amanda and Nona. They're down there. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day and have a happy and safe New Year's.